What's up, guys? This is Names with Names Repairs, and I know it's been a while since we made a video, but hey, there's been a lot going on in the background, so yeah, just a quick update. I'm not working on any Mercedes the last couple of days. There's no Mercedes-Benzes around here, but I'm in a new unit and it's bigger and it's more spacious. That's what's been keeping me busy, and also I'm doing recovery on the side, so yeah, all that's gonna be incorporated into the channel. But in the meantime, I just make this quick video to update you on the current project I'm working on. So right now we're working on a Peugeot 2008. It's a salvage rebuild car. So we're trying to rebuild it. It's a customer's car, but we're trying to rebuild it, me and Daniel. So I'm gonna take you through the process. Right now it's all about removing the parts and then bolting on the new one. So this rebuild won't be a one video, a couple of more videos to come. As long as there's more time to film, the more we film it. But hey, it's quite interesting. The only thing is that I'm not working on any Mercedes, so I'm sorry to disappoint you on this. But hey, different cars come around to the workshop and I have to earn a living, so it's not only about Mercedes. But hey, we're gonna work on this 2008 salvage rebuild, and I'll take you through the process. And it's not gonna be a single video, it's gonna be about 3 or 4 part videos. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. But before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This is the car. It was crushed. The bumper is gone. The headlight is gone. The grills, support, everything is gone. So me and Daniel is just trying to unbolt all the bad damaged parts right now and trying to see if we can get somewhere else with this build. But anyway, it's going to be exciting. Like I said, it's not my car. It's a customer's car. It has the 171 reg in Ireland. This means that it was made in the year 2017. So it's a nice little car, French car. But hey, look at the unit. It's such a big place compared to what I was in the last couple of videos. And I'm so happy to work in here. And also I'm doing recovery, which I'll also include that in this channel as we go along. But the most exciting part is I have moved into this big place, and I didn't even want to make a video about it. I just want to start working in here straight away. That's Daniel, my guy. How many bolts down there, Dan?
2.
Just 2 and the fender will be out?
Yeah.
Alright. So to remove the wing on this, there's just a couple of 10mm bolts going on around, but it's quite easier for us. It's even better when you remove the wheel, I think. And this will be out, so you can see where the damage was. Quite extensive, but these new cars, they're not so strong like the old ones. He's lucky the radiator was already about to be gone. I don't know if it's leaking or not, but
No, it's the turbo cooler there.
that's the turbo cooler, is it?
Yeah, it's not.
Saved, yeah?
One out, one more to go.
One more to go. So right now Daniel is just fighting with the wing while I'm filming. I should be helping him, you know, to make things easier, but hey. Is it out?
It's full of paint, you know. That's right.
There should be one at the back of the door, no?
No.
There is none?
No.
But why is it not coming out?
It's here. One. You know?
You took it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has.
I don't know. That one's.
No.
There should be one more.
Yeah.
I have a feeling.
Yeah, it's behind here.
It's behind, is it?
Look.
You found it.
Yeah.
So there was one more bolt hiding there.
Behind.
So this one didn't go from the back like the Ford Focus, you know? There you go.
That's it.
So we've got the wing out.
Yeah. Maybe this one. We can take it out.
The plastic?
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah.
For the headlight. Maybe we can reuse it.
Yeah. We definitely will reuse it.
This one as well has to go.
The bracket is good, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so far we've got the wing out anyway, but there's a couple of bolts, 10mm bolts all over the place. if you're doing this type of rebuild or trying to do the same thing that we're doing here, it's those 10 mils. Look for them, you'll find them, and you'll be able to unbolt.
Oh, it's okay now. We'll leave it like this.
So
We'll be this. Ah, yeah, here.
There's one more, 2 more nuts here. Then we'll examine it. Anyway, we seem to be progressing with this. The radiator support bracket needs to come out, you know, and then the bumper as well, it needs to come out. The situation is that we just want to take out every single part on this car, put them on a side, and then start assessing how we can start rebuilding it from there. So Daniel is just unbolting the bumper here. The lower lip of the bumper. What type of nuts are those, Dan?
Is
CVRTs? Torx?
20.
Oh shit. Look at all that. Okay, this is cracked, so it's no good. Look. Unless the owner wants it like this. So basically all the plastic is piling up over there. And what we'll do now is release the hoses. We're probably going to lose air conditioner gas and lose a lot of coolant, but that will be replaced in the future. So right now we're just going to try and remove the radiator. We've lost the air conditioner gas, but that was an obvious thing. So we've unplugged all the hoses and all the electric cables here. And now just one more hose left, this one, and took out all the 10 mil bolts under there that bolts onto the plastic. And finally this we'll just pull out. This will just pull out together with the all the radiator, yeah.
3 of them.
There's 3 radiators on this, yeah?
For the turbo, the
engine,
and the AC.
AC, yeah. Okay. So this one, we just unplug it here then?
Yeah.
On the top, yeah?
Yeah.
There is a fucking strange looking like clip there. Look.
Yeah.
It's
Factory one. We'll find the
screwdriver?
The easier way to do it.
Yeah.
Where is it? Maybe there.
I've never seen those type of screws before.
Let me see here under it. No, it's the same.
It's the same, yeah?
Yeah. So we'll do it from here.
Yeah, but you know how easy it can be. If you pull this up, it will come up and you can do from that one.
Yeah, but
no.
You leave the maybe. Let's try.
You just try and pull it up. It's coming out, yeah. Yeah. Then you have space if it goes up to the top, you know.
No, I have another screw.
There's another screw. Where is the screw holding?
Yeah, I'll show you. Just a second.
It's a 10 mil.
Yeah.
Okay,
we pull it up just a little bit. Yeah. Go. That's it. So I can see it. It's behind here. I did see it because the skirt was broken.
Ah, okay. This?
Yeah.
But I told you we can take this out. It's just...
No. This one, look, it's holding. Look. You see this?
Yeah.
It's holding the weight of the radiators.
Ah, okay.
So we use it like a guidance to put the
radiators back.
Yeah. It would be better to leave it. Just 1 minute, it'll be out.
One more 10 mil under there, and the radiators will probably be out. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna take out the radiator. We dealt with a lot of 10 mil bolts out there, but it just comes out. So it's just this, and the bigger hose over there. Yeah, that one we can take it out with the screwdriver, with the plier. Fuck's sake. Do you want me to get the vice grip? There, look, the vice grip is easier.
The long nose.
Easy from this side, Daniel.
The long nose will be better.
Do you want me to hold?
That's it. That's it.
Just it's coming out.
Yes.
Probably need to help you with this screwdriver.
Yeah.
Flathead.
One more push and that's it.
I hate them clips, man. They're a nightmare. Fuck.
Don't worry.
It's falling in the container.
Yeah.
I knew this. Okay, that pipe is out.
That's it.
Fucking weird looking coolant, isn't it?
Yeah. So all the radiators are here.
Yeah. So we've taken out the whole front end, the radiators, all the parts that were damaged, and now it's just a matter of assessing it and then trying to fix whatever panels were bent, and then from there onwards bolt the new parts on and put everything back. Daniel is here, he's doing all the work and I'm busy filming. But hey, it's an exciting project, but it's going on quicker. The only thing is that parts are hard to find for this type of cars. They're only new cars, so it's hard to get parts, but at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom of it. Right now, this is where we are. That's the pile of all the plastics that were broken, the bumpers, everything. These radiators, they're in good condition, nothing was wrong with them, but to remove them, we had a hassle because there's little 10mm bolts holding it down together with that plastic, the lower lip over there that supports the radiators. So that's the lower lip there, that supports the radiators. And the radiators are out, the whole front face is out. And now it's just a matter of assessing the damage and then figuring out what we need to do. But hey, it's really, really exciting to work on this car. I've got great help here, Mr. Daniel. So right now, Daniel is just unboxing the new parts. I think we have the wing and a few grills. So I hope that everything I ordered is in there. No, that's part of the grills. That's the wing. And
This one is the wing.
Yeah. So what's this?
It's the piece in front. The lower one.
The lower lip, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The intake there. Yeah.
You better leave it in the bubble, no?
Yeah. You can see it.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. You can leave it there until the time comes to use it, you know. What's that, the wing?
No, the wing is this one.
Isn't that the top one, no?
I think it's the lower lip.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, no. It goes under the bumper,
Yeah.
I think.
Okay. And where is the radiator grill?
It's not here.
No.
Or maybe it's this one. No, I think it's this one. No?
No.
With the Peugeot sign. But that, they don't sell it with the Peugeot sign. We have to take the Peugeot sign from there.
Yeah.
You know?
What's this?
We'll see then.
So that's the wing.
This one is the wing, yeah.
Yeah. Need more parts.
For sure.
Definitely the radiator support. So I didn't buy that then. Yeah, no, this is.
Yeah, it's the bottom one from the wing. From the. See?
No, it's from the top.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, because we didn't have one here. So it's for here, look.
So we have to take from that one.
There's nothing here, look. It went missing. Look. See?
Yeah, we need to take this
Yeah.
and the sign.
But this is broken, so we get a new one.
Oh, a new one, yeah.
It probably come with the bumper.
This one is behind.
Yes.
The front.
So we need this as well. This, you see this?
Yeah.
Radiator support.
Yeah, look.
Yeah. So that one goes there.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something like this. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
This one. Yeah. No one touches there.
No. And that's the wing.
Yeah.
We have to see if that wing is grooved. Does it have holes in the sides? Yeah, it's exact same wing like the other one, no?
Yeah. Yep.
It's already primer. Yeah, so it should be easy for Cosmin.
Oh, it has a damage here.
Flip's sake. But maybe Cosmin can fix it, no?
Yeah, it's not a big.
It's not a big damage.
Yeah, it's straight here.
Fuck's sake.
Yeah. They handle it with.
Yeah, without care.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here, and that's it. And here.
Yeah.
Look.
Fuck's sake, man. This is brand new and it has damage.
Yeah. They handle it with not without care.
I know. Anyway, guys, we've got all the parts together, but that's not the full amount. And the wing came with the damage, so I'm gonna have to make a claim on that one because it's technically not fair to buy something that's damaged. Plus, the packages were being delivered in the wrong house in the first place anyway. So these guys haven't been serious with their delivery game. We're gonna have to make sure that doesn't happen again. But basically, a few bits are here for this build. But right now, I stop it here because we don't have everything at one time, and also I need to consult with the bodywork guy to see how we can tackle this before I start bolting on things onto the car. Maybe it'll be easier for him to work on the car without all this stuff bolt on, and then we can bolt them on afterwards. So right now with this build, we stop here, and then I'll be looking forward to bring you more content on this build. Anyways, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, and I'm out.